Hi everyone! My name is DM and welcome to my channel! I'm a graphic designer by day and a freelancer by night, and I always get questions about, hey DM, how do you do this? How do you do that? And I thought, what better way to help the people than to create my own YouTube channel. I'm very nervous and I'm super excited because I've never put myself out there like this. I want this channel to be dedicated to the beginners, for those who are just getting started or those who want to refresh their skills. I want to do a lot of quick tips and tricks, tutorials, DIYs for graphic design and studio photography. I'm creating this channel to be a safe haven for beginners, those who are curious about graphic design and studio photography. I know it's a little scary to get started, and that's what I'm here to help you through. The best part of all of this is that I will be going on this journey with you as well. I've been a graphic designer for 10 plus years, which is a crazy long time, but there's so many things that I'm learning, relearning every single day, every single month, every single year. I know the programs switch up, the trends are rapidly changing, and so I don't want this to be a scary thing. Although I've been in this industry for countless years, the fun never stops and neither does the learning. In my channel, there will be wins, there will be losses, and I'm going to try to as best and honestly document all of that. So if I fail, you're gonna watch me do it. If I win, hopefully I can pass on that knowledge and you can take that and do as you will. Hopefully it'll help you out in the long run. Fingers crossed I can do things as ethically and affordably as possible, and that you don't need to spend an arm and a leg to be creative. I know with this channel, just getting started out, that I'm going to be screaming into the void for a while, but I want you to join me on this journey as well. Please subscribe, like, and comment below in the comments some topics and things that as a beginner you want to know. Anything that has to do with graphic design, studio photography, and even lifestyle photography. My name is DM and welcome to Sorbet Studios.